Did you know that there's a simple food that might be the key to repairing your kidneys? Have you ever wondered if there's a food that could naturally repair your kidneys? It may sound unlikely, but the truth is that a small change in your diet could bring surprising benefits for those dealing with kidney issues. For a long time, it was believed that once damaged, kidneys would never function fully again. But what if I told you that this view might be outdated? There are specific, accessible, and potent foods that can support kidney recovery and protection, promoting lasting kidney health. Curious to know what this powerful food is? Ready to learn how to easily incorporate it into your daily routine and discover how it could drastically improve your quality of life and well-being? Stick around, because what we're revealing today could be the first step toward a new beginning for your kidney health. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And tell us in the comments where you're watching from. We'd love to know. Kidney function. Kidneys are like powerful purification machines, and their importance goes far beyond what most of us realize. These two often overlooked organs work tirelessly, filtering our blood to ensure that toxins and excess substances are eliminated. Moreover, they regulate blood pressure and balance electrolytes like sodium and potassium. What many people don't know is that kidneys also play a crucial role in the production of important hormones for bone health. They're responsible for activating vitamin D, which is essential for calcium absorption. When you think about it, it's impressive how these small organs have such a huge impact on our lives, don't you think? If the kidneys stop functioning properly, it's not just kidney health that suffers. The entire body feels the impact. That's why taking care of the kidneys is an investment in overall quality of life. Common causes of kidney damage. When we talk about kidney health, it's essential to understand the most common causes of kidney damage. Among the main culprits are diabetes and hypertension, which slowly compromise kidney function over time. Kidney stones are also a common issue, causing intense pain and, in severe cases, blocking urine flow. Furthermore, the excessive use of certain medications, like anti-inflammatories, can be extremely harmful to the kidneys. Regular consumption of alcohol and smoking also have devastating effects on kidney health, accelerating the damage process. Genetic factors shouldn't be ignored either, as some people are more predisposed to kidney disease than others. It's crucial to be aware that daily habits like poor diet and excessive salt intake also contribute to the deterioration of these vital organs. Identifying and avoiding these causes is the first step in maintaining kidney health. Beneficial foods for the kidneys. Thankfully, there are foods that can help improve kidney health and ensure they function at their best. Let's explore 10 foods that are true allies for kidney health. Each one has unique properties that support kidney protection, helping eliminate toxins, reduce inflammation, and even prevent stone formation. Some of these foods, like berries and vegetables rich in antioxidants, are known for enhancing blood circulation in the kidneys. Additionally, adequate hydration from water-rich foods like cucumbers and watermelons is essential for optimizing kidney function. Including these foods in your diet not only nourishes the body, but also provides powerful support to keep the kidneys healthy. Let's look at each of these foods and how they can practically and effectively benefit your kidneys. Food 1. Turmeric. Turmeric, also known as Indian saffron, is a powerful spice when it comes to kidney health. The main active compound in turmeric is curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These features help protect the kidneys from chronic inflammation and oxidative damage, both of which are risk factors for kidney disease. Moreover, turmeric may also improve immune function, which is crucial for keeping the renal system protected from infections. Some studies indicate that turmeric may help prevent renal fibrosis, a condition that leads to the progressive loss of kidney function. Adding turmeric to dishes like soups, sauces, or even as a tea can be a practical way to incorporate its benefits into your daily routine. Besides adding a special flavor to foods, turmeric is a true kidney ally, providing extra protection against future issues. Recently, science has further explored turmeric's benefits for overall body health, especially in combating oxidative stress, which also affects other organs besides the kidneys. Curcumin, in particular, is considered a potent agent in the prevention of various inflammations. This versatile spice is safe for daily consumption, as long as the recommended amounts are respected. For even greater effectiveness, some people combine turmeric with a pinch of black pepper to aid in the absorption of its compounds. Food 2. Cucumber. Cucumber is extremely beneficial for kidney health, primarily due to its high water content. Staying well hydrated is essential for the kidneys to function correctly, and cucumber is an excellent way to support this process. Besides being refreshing, it helps eliminate toxins and reduces the workload on the kidneys. Cucumber also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce urinary tract inflammation, protecting the kidneys from potential infections. Another important benefit is that cucumber helps alkalize the body, balancing pH and preventing kidney stone formation. You can add cucumber to salads, juices, or even have it as a light snack throughout the day. Cucumber is a practical and tasty choice to ensure your kidneys stay hydrated and healthy. Additionally, regular cucumber consumption is associated with improved circulation, helping to keep blood pressure under control, which also benefits kidney health. It contains minerals like potassium and magnesium, which are essential for proper kidney function and preventing excessive sodium buildup in the body. Another plus is that cucumber is a low-calorie food, ideal for those seeking a balanced diet focused on kidney health. Incorporating cucumber into different recipes adds variety to the menu, making kidney care more enjoyable and natural. Food 3. Olive oil. Olive oil is widely known for its benefits to cardiovascular health, but its positive effects also extend to the kidneys. Rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants like oleuropein, olive oil helps reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are harmful to the kidneys. Moreover, olive oil can help regulate blood pressure, which is crucial for kidney health, as hypertension is one of the main causes of kidney damage. Studies also indicate that regular consumption of olive oil may help prevent chronic kidney disease, providing long-term protection. Using olive oil as a salad dressing or as a finishing touch for hot dishes can be a great way to enjoy its benefits. Additionally, replacing less healthy fats with olive oil is a smart choice for keeping the kidneys protected and functioning well. Another important aspect is that olive oil contains compounds that help balance cholesterol levels, supporting the overall health of blood vessels and the renal system. Oleuropein and other polyphenols found in olive oil have antibacterial properties, which may be useful in preventing infections that affect the urinary tract. By including olive oil in a balanced diet, you promote the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin E, which has additional antioxidant effects. This versatile oil not only enhances the flavor of foods, but also adds an extra layer of protection for kidney health and the entire body. Food 4. Garlic. Garlic is a powerful food when it comes to kidney health. Its diuretic properties help increase urine production, facilitating toxin elimination from the body and reducing the workload on the kidneys. Additionally, garlic has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects that help prevent kidney damage. Another advantage of garlic is its potential to help control blood pressure, which is vital for kidney protection, as hypertension is one of the leading causes of kidney disease. Research also suggests that garlic can help reduce levels of heavy metals in the body, like lead, further easing the burden on the kidneys. Studies indicate that regular garlic consumption can even reduce protein levels in the urine, a sign that the kidneys are being protected. Adding garlic to your daily meals, whether in stir-fries, sauces, or even salads, is a practical way to ensure your kidneys benefit from its unique properties. Furthermore, garlic is known for strengthening the immune system, which helps prevent infections that can affect the kidneys and urinary tract. Its active compounds, such as allicin, also demonstrate antibacterial and antifungal effects, helping protect the body against a variety of pathogens. For those aiming for lasting kidney health, garlic is a natural and effective choice. When consumed regularly, it can even enhance the effects of other kidney-friendly foods, serving as an essential complement in a healthy diet. Food 5. Lemon. Lemon is an excellent ally for the kidneys due to its citric acid content, which helps prevent kidney stones from forming. Citric acid makes urine less favorable for crystal formation, significantly reducing the risk of kidney stones. Additionally, Lemon has detoxifying properties that help eliminate accumulated toxins in the body, relieving the kidney's workload. Drinking lemon water can also help balance the body's pH levels, promoting a healthier environment for kidney function. Studies show that regularly drinking lemon juice can increase citrate levels in the urine, helping to protect the kidneys. You can add lemon juice to water, use it as a salad dressing, or even in fish dishes. It's a simple and refreshing way to keep the kidneys protected and functioning well. Another benefit of lemon is its high vitamin C content, which supports the immune system, helping the body fight off infections that can affect the kidneys. Vitamin C also acts as a natural antioxidant, protecting kidney cells from damage caused by free radicals. Consuming lemon on an empty stomach, diluted in warm water, is a popular practice to maximize its detoxifying effects right at the start of the day. This versatile fruit is a powerful addition to any diet focused on kidney and overall health, promoting an internal balance that supports the optimal functioning of organs. Food 6. Pear. Pears are packed with health benefits, especially for the kidneys. They have a high water content, which helps keep the body hydrated and makes it easier for the kidneys to filter the blood. Moreover, pears have a low glycemic index, which benefits blood sugar control, preventing strain on the kidneys, especially in people with diabetes. Pears are also rich in fiber, which aids in digestive health, preventing constipation, which can indirectly impact kidney health. Another benefit of pears is their antioxidant content, which helps protect kidney cells from damage caused by free radicals. Eating pears regularly as an afternoon snack in salads or even in desserts is a great way to support kidney health. In addition, pears contain essential vitamins like vitamin C and B complex, which contribute to immunity and energy metabolism, benefiting kidney function and other organs. Their natural diuretic action helps eliminate toxins and control fluid balance in the body. Another interesting point is that pears are easy to digest, making them ideal for people with sensitive stomachs. Incorporating pears into your diet is a delicious and healthy way to reinforce kidney care and promote overall well-being. Food 7. Blueberries. Blueberries are true champions when it comes to protecting kidney health. They are rich in antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which help fight free radicals and reduce inflammation. Additionally, studies show that blueberries may prevent urinary tract infections, which can spread to the kidneys if left untreated. Another fantastic benefit is that blueberries also improve circulation in the kidneys, making blood filtration easier. They are also low in potassium, making them ideal for people with kidney issues. Eating a serving of blueberries daily is a tasty and effective way to care for kidney health. Imagine adding them to breakfast, in smoothies, yogurt, or even a fruit salad. Not only is it delicious, but it's also a way of showing care for your kidneys. Blueberries are also sources of vitamins C and K and fiber, all of which support overall health and immune function, helping prevent infections. Regular consumption of blueberries is associated with improved cardiovascular health, which positively impacts kidney health, as good blood circulation is essential for kidney function. Another advantage is that they have properties that help control blood sugar levels, making them a perfect choice for those who need to monitor glucose levels. Food 8. Apples. Apples are another excellent choice for promoting kidney health. Rich in antioxidants and fiber, they help protect the kidneys from oxidative damage and reduce inflammation. Pectin, a soluble fiber in apples, assists in eliminating toxins from the digestive tract, reducing the kidney's workload. Additionally, apples are known to help regulate blood sugar levels, which is essential for preventing diseases like diabetes, a leading cause of kidney problems. Regular apple consumption may also help lower cholesterol, benefiting cardiovascular health and consequently kidney health. Adding an apple as an afternoon snack or to a salad is a practical and tasty way to keep your kidneys functioning well. Another benefit of apples is their alkalizing effect, which helps maintain the body's pH balance, which is beneficial for kidney health. They are also sources of vitamin C and E, which provide additional antioxidant protection for kidney cells against oxidative stress. The presence of moderate amounts of potassium makes apples a safe choice for those who need to limit this mineral. Including apples in healthy desserts or even juices is a delicious way to enjoy these benefits for kidney and overall health. Food 9. Cabbage. Cabbage is a vegetable full of benefits for kidney health. It's rich in sulfur compounds, which play an important role in detoxifying the body, helping remove harmful substances. Additionally, cabbage contains antioxidants like vitamin C, which help protect kidney cells from oxidative damage. Another advantage of cabbage is its low potassium content, making it an excellent choice for people with kidney problems who need to limit their potassium intake. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including kidney disease. Cabbage is a versatile vegetable that can easily be included in the diet, whether in fresh salads, sautéed, or even in soups. Cabbage not only contributes to a balanced diet, but is also a strong ally in preserving kidney function. Furthermore, cabbage is a good source of fiber, promoting digestive health and reducing the kidney's workload by eliminating waste efficiently. It also contains vitamin K, which supports bone and circulatory health, enhancing blood flow to the kidneys. Phytochemicals in cabbage like glucosinolates help combat toxins and prevent inflammation. Including cabbage in various dishes is a practical way to gain these benefits, naturally and deliciously promoting kidney and overall health. Taking care of kidney health is an essential step to keeping the body working at its best. By understanding the vital role kidneys play and the main causes of damage, we can make more informed choices about our diet and lifestyle. Incorporating beneficial foods like blueberries, apples, cabbage, turmeric, and many others we've discussed can not only protect the kidneys, but also improve their function, preventing future issues. Prevention, in this case, is simple and tasty, involving small adjustments in what we eat every day. Therefore, by making healthy dietary choices, you're not only nourishing the body, but also investing directly in your kidney health. And remember, a balanced diet is one of the best ways to care for these vital organs. Now that you know the foods that can protect your kidneys, why not start including them in your daily routine? If you have anything to add, please share it with us in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm leaving 2 videos on the screen that I'm sure you'll enjoy. See you there.